List building is a cornerstone of digital marketing, essential for nurturing and expanding customer relationships. It involves collecting emails through optimized strategies to foster direct and personalized communication. This personal touch is crucial in converting leads into loyal customers, providing them with tailored content that meets their needs and interests. The benefits of a robust list are significant, ranging from improved customer engagement, which ensures your audience remains invested and attentive, to increased sales by tapping into a well-nurtured and responsive email list. Essentially, list building helps businesses understand their audience better, allowing for more effective marketing strategies and business growth. Selecting the appropriate tools is essential in list building, as it directly impacts the efficiency and effectiveness of your marketing efforts. Essential tools include sophisticated email marketing software and intuitive lead capture forms. When choosing these tools, it's vital to consider the size of your business and specific marketing needs. Features to compare might include automation capabilities, integration options with other platforms, ease of use, and scalability. Businesses should seek tools that not only facilitate efficient email collection and automation, but also provide valuable analytics to refine marketing strategies and achieve better engagement rates. Creating compelling lead magnets is pivotal for successful list building, as they attract potential customers to subscribe. A lead magnet must offer real value, addressing specific needs or problems of the target audience. Popular forms include informative ebooks, exclusive webinars, or beneficial discount coupons, which incentivize users to share their contact details. The key is to align the magnet's content closely with the interests of your audience, ensuring it's relevant and attractive. Effectively designed lead magnets not only increase subscription rates, but also set the stage for ongoing engagement and relationship building. Optimizing sign-up forms is crucial in maximizing list building. The design and placement of these forms must prioritize simplicity and visibility to enhance user experience and increase conversion rates. Effective strategies include the use of pop-ups that catch attention without being intrusive, sidebar forms that are constantly visible on scrolling, and embedded forms strategically placed on high-traffic pages. Each form should be easily accessible, requiring minimal effort from visitors to complete, thus removing any barriers to subscription. Putting these best practices in place can significantly improve the efficiency of capturing leads and growing your audience. Maintaining engagement with your email list is critical after building it. You can keep your subscribers interested and responsive by creating personalized content that speaks directly to their needs and preferences. Segmenting your list into distinct groups based on behavior or demographics allows for targeted campaigns that are much more likely to resonate with subscribers. Additionally, automating email sequences can save time and ensure consistent communication, nurturing leads and building relationships. These techniques not only enhance engagement, but also increase the likelihood of conversions, driving more value from your list over time.